What's up, design fam? Today we are talking t-shirt designs. You know, those things everyone wants to wear with your awesome artwork on them. Yeah, those. Turns out creating killer t-shirt designs can be a sweet side hustle or even a full-blown business. But before you start printing a million tees, there's this magician's trick called a mock-up. Basically, it's a way to show off your design on a real-looking t-shirt like a digital magic mirror. So, let's get into this amazing process. Creating the design. Coming up with the design ideas can be a total brain block sometimes. That's where this cool AI design tool swoop in. Ideogram is a platform where you can create your designs just by writing a prompt. Just enter the idea or whatever you need to design and click on generate. It will share some fantastic options for you to choose from. To me, this design looks perfect, so let's download it. Creating the mockup. Alright, with our design ready to rock, now let's jump into Photoshop and make a mockup that will blow people's minds. Here we have our t-shirt mockup which we downloaded from FreePic. You can choose the one as per your requirement. Now just drag your design into the document. Press Ctrl or Command T and place it where you want. Make a duplicate of your background layer by pressing Ctrl or Command plus J and place it on the top. Right-click and convert it into a smart object so you can edit it further. Again right-click on the layer and this time choose Create Clipping Mask to limit it to the design. Change its blending mode to hard light. Right now, it might look odd, but to fix it, just go to Image, Adjustments and choose Curves. You can even click on the keyboard shortcut Ctrl or Command plus M. Here, we have got these two sliders. As we move the dark slider, the design will disappear and with the white one, the design will show up. So, all we have to do is adjust these sliders so that they can perfectly match with the highlights and shadows of the t-shirt. You can even click on this white dot to adjust it further. Click OK when you are done. This is the before and after as of now. And finally, our last step, which is completely optional. Select your design layer and reduce the opacity for the colors to fade a little. This will make it look more realistic. And that's it. By using the AI design and Photoshop mockups together, you can create a pro-looking t-shirt design that will have people lining up to buy them. So, what are you waiting for? Just try it out and use your creativity to turn those t-shirt ideas into reality. And for more such content, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any content further. Thanks for watching.